The flashing orange light on your Philips Sonicare toothbrush is actually a sophisticated diagnostic indicator. When you see this orange light blinking, your toothbrush is trying to communicate that something needs your attention. There are 5 main reasons why this orange light appears. Understanding these causes can help you identify what's happening with your toothbrush. The most common cause is battery degradation, which typically occurs after 2 to 3 years of regular use. Lithium-ion batteries naturally lose their capacity over time. Charging system malfunctions can involve issues with the charging base, power adapter, or internal charging circuitry. Temperature-related problems occur when extreme heat or cold affects the battery chemistry and performance. Firmware glitches in the battery management system can also trigger the orange light, especially in newer models with advanced features. Physical damage from drops or water exposure can affect internal components and trigger the warning light. To better understand why this happens, let's look at what's inside your toothbrush. The internal components include sophisticated battery management systems that monitor the health of your device. The red battery component and green circuit board work together to manage power delivery and monitor battery health. When something goes wrong with this system, the orange light activates. Newer Sonicare models with advanced battery management systems are actually more prone to showing this orange light because they have more sophisticated monitoring capabilities. This is your toothbrush's way of telling you that something isn't quite right with its power system and needs attention. When your Sonicare shows a flashing orange light, start with a basic reset procedure. This simple method resolves the issue in about 35% of cases. First, remove the toothbrush from its charging base. Then press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. After the reset, place the toothbrush back on the charger for 24 hours uninterrupted. This allows the battery management system to recalibrate. Different Sonicare models require specific reset procedures. Let's look at the 3 main model types and their unique reset methods. For Diamond Clean models, hold the power button while placing the toothbrush on the charger. This activates the advanced reset mode specific to this series. Protective Clean models use a different approach. Press the power button 3 times rapidly, then hold it down. This sequence triggers the diagnostic reset. Expert Clean models offer the most advanced option. Use the Philips Sonicare mobile app to perform a diagnostic reset with detailed troubleshooting guidance. If reset procedures don't work, the issue might be with the charging system. Let's examine charging base maintenance and troubleshooting steps. Clean the charging contacts with a dry cloth to remove any buildup. Check that the power adapter is properly connected and test with a different power outlet. Ensure proper alignment of the toothbrush on the charging base and inspect for any visible damage to the charging contacts or base. Environmental conditions significantly impact charging performance. Maintain room temperature between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit during charging. Avoid humid environments and keep the charging area clean and dry. Extreme temperatures can affect battery chemistry and charging efficiency. Sometimes replacement is necessary. If your toothbrush is over 3 years old or the battery lasts less than 3 days per charge, it may be time for a new one. Most Philips Sonicare models include a 2-year warranty. Battery issues within the warranty period often qualify for replacement, so keep your purchase receipts and register your product.